name's Curtis Fielding, president of Fielding Estate Winery. We're family owned and operated. We're grape growers first, and then we produce some world-class wines here at Fielding Estate Winery.
I'm Heidi Fielding. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing at Fielding Estate Winery. Giving back to the community is a really big part of what we do. We've always made that a big mandate for our winery. We work with a lot of different organizations like Big Brothers Big Sisters, the Rotary Club, and many others in our area. We actually started our own fundraising department so we can help schools and teams in our area just by giving back and helping them support what they do. There's been a lot of changes in the last few years, so we've had to invest in a lot of different projects. The one thing I'm really happy we did, we put up our big vineyard lounge, and we started the project before COVID. Thank goodness. So we were able to get the furniture to actually put in it when furniture was scarce. Here we are, we have 14 tables and lounges here, and it's been such a blessing. We're able to have a lot of staff on board now and really focus on customer service.
We're pretty hands-on owners. We're here, probably our staff say sometimes too much, but the last year and a half we worked our butts off during the pandemic. We really hustled and it's paid off. We didn't have to lay off anybody.
I think the thing I'm most proud of at Fielding is just walking into work every day and seeing what we've built over the last 16 years. We started really small, 500 cases at the first year. We're now around 30,000 cases, but I feel like it has always changed. We are now in a big tent that we put up, and we've got a great team, and I love coming to work every day. I think Fielding Estate Winery should be the winners of the 2021 Business Award because we've worked so hard to keep ourselves fresh and innovative, whether it's like the Vineyard Lounge or those wine domes that we had all winter long. I think it's just been a great time for us and our staff just to show what we can do, and I think we've all worked really hard to get to this place.